Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to do a clean installation of Windows Server 2022. Now the steps will be the same whether you're installing 2019 or 2016, but before we get started with that, if you're interested in your own copy of Windows Server, RDS licenses, Windows 10, 11, and much more at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. Now for this clean installation, we are using a USB drive that we created. If you want to see the steps on how to create a USB drive for Windows Server, click the video right here. Creating the drive is simple and straightforward on a different computer. And the one factor that's important to consider is what version or edition of Windows Server you need to install. For this server, we're using Windows Server 2022, the Evaluation Edition. And in the next series of videos, we will have the full standard edition of Windows Server installed. Once we have our USB, we are ready for installation. So let me flip the camera around so you guys can see what we're doing. All right, so here we are on Windows Server desktop. If you're doing this without an operating system pre-installed, we actually have a video covering that as well. You can click it in the top corner of this video. All right, so to perform the clean installation, we already have our USB drive plugged into the computer, and we're gonna go ahead and access that here. Now, alternatively, we could also, of course, download an image file from the internet and use that as our installation media. But we're gonna show you guys how to use the USB file. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut down the computer. I'm gonna turn it on again, and I'm gonna press and hold down the F11 key on the keyboard. For you, this might be F2 to enter the BIOS. For this particular motherboard, F11 actually enters the boot setting, and so that's what we're gonna use here. Okay, we're gonna click our drive that has our installation media, and once we do that, we are met with the system setup menu, and it should look something like this. So I'll go ahead and click next, and I'll click install now. Here we have some options. I'll go with the standard desktop experience. We'll click next. Accept the license agreement, click next. Here I'm gonna click custom, and I'm gonna select partition 3 in my case. I'll press OK on the pop-up. And at this point, we're just gonna let the installation run. All right, so we've shown you guys the bootable drive method. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys how to do it from the ISO if you were to mount an ISO on a pre-existing operating system. So I'll go into the boot folder here. I'm gonna run the setup for the Windows Server 2022. And once we get the setup wizard open, there's a certain way to make it a clean installation, and we'll show you guys how to do that. We'll click next here. Again, I'll go with the standard desktop experience. I'll accept this, and then here where it says choose what to keep, this is the important part that makes this a clean installation. All we have to do here is select nothing. We'll click next, and then it's gonna warn us, do you want to continue using this selection? We'll press yes, and we'll press install. All right guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. If you found the video helpful, we'd really appreciate a like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if you have any questions about any of that, drop those in the comments below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, if you're interested in your own copy of Server, Windows, or other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links in the description box below. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.